Let's solve this question together. It says 25 raised to the power x minus c is equal to 1000. We're going to solve for the value of values for x in this question. Okay. Now, first things first, what we can do is to say 25. Okay, we can write 25 to be equal to 5 times 5. Okay, and 5 times 5 is the same as 5 squared. Okay, so 25 is equal to 5 squared. 1000 on the other hand is equal to, so 1000 is equal to 5 times 5, this is 25, times 5 times 8. Okay, so 125 times 8 is 1000, and this is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 is same as 5 raised to the power 3, which is 125, and 8 is same as 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, hence 1000 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. Now, replacing 25 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 1000 with this, we have 5 squared raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. Now, from here we can say that when you have this, you multiply out. So you have 2 times x, which will give you 2x, and 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. This is now equal to the same 5 cubed times 2 cubed. Now, when you have minus, okay, so we have 2x minus 4. When you have 2x minus 4, what simply means you can write this as 5 raised to the power 2x divided by 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, it's equal to 5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 4. Okay, now 5 raised to the power 2x will become equal to 5 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 4 is the same as 5 raised to the power 3 plus 4, which is 5 raised to the power 7 times 2 raised to the power 3. At this juncture, we can just take the logarithm of both sides in the base of the number carrying the x. Okay, so the number carrying the x power is 5. So we have logarithm in the base of this number, which is 5, or 5 raised to the power 2x is equal to logarithm base 5 or 5 raised to the power 7 times 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, now this is what you have here. Now remember that when you have logarithm of a number raised to power, you multiply that log with the power. Okay, so this power is 2x, so you multiply 2x times logarithm of 5 to base 5, okay, to be equal to, now when you have this multiplication of log, it means you can split the log, so you have logarithm in base 5 of 5 to the power 7 plus, so you put plus z, logarithm in base 5 of 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so you have, when you have multiplication, you replace it with plus. Sweet deal. Now, logarithm of 5 to base 5 is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. Okay, now this is equal to logarithm of this, again you multiply 7 times logarithm of 5 to base 5 plus 3 times what? Logarithm of 2 to base 5. Okay, now, so x here now will become equal to 5, logarithm of 5 to base 5 is 1, so we have 7 over 2, okay, plus 3 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 5. Okay, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe.